Today I will be cleaning my room because I have no video ideas, so let's do it. So here's what we got right here. Let's clean this up. So first, I'm going to pick up all my clothes. So yeah. Alright, so that's all my clothes. Now I'm gonna pick up all my trash that I have. Yeah, it's not really gonna be much. Yeah, I'm already done, basically. Just throw this away. So I just got my trash cleaned up. Now I'm gonna pick up stuff that are not clothes or trash. Let's do it. Not my bed, of course. Alright, so like my shoes and stuff, this over here. I have a lot of these little cards that I have, and that's for like if you want to get some prizes with these. They're like cool to care cards where you can get prizes by being like cool to care, you know? So I'm picking those up right now. I actually didn't know I had a lot since my room was all a mess and all that. Alright, we're just gonna put this on my desk, okay? I got my charger that I can do whatever with it. I don't really care. Both this and headphones thing I'll do with this in a second after I put this in my candy drawer. Wait. Got some headphones here. Alright, now you guys can hear me better. That now I just got my headphones on. And yeah, we got a freaking ball that I got from a college thing at my school earlier. Nice. This hard high chew. Frick that. Now I'm gonna vacuum over here. Just why not? I'm gonna go grab the vacuum. Vacuum. Alright, I got the Z vacuum right here. I'm broke, so this vacuum looks weird. You know? I'm only gonna do this one. I don't really want to do the other one because, you know. Actually, I'm gonna clean up more. Plug this in. Why was that on? Alright, and then I got a piece of glass here, which is weird because right here you can see a broken thing that I haven't cleaned up yet. Procrastinator, okay? And the trash. Right, put this all in here. Alright, there we go. Now it's time to vacuum. Alright, guys. Wet mat, hot pad. That stupid crap out of there. Alright, no more procrastinating. I will vacuum. Alright, I am done cleaning my room. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and be sure to comment some video ideas in the comment section below because I really need them and I need my rent money. So yeah, peace.